Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ShareX scrolling capture failed issue on ShareX in 2026. So if scrolling capture is not working, stopping midway, or creating incomplete screenshots, yeah, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, open ShareX and make sure you are using the latest version. Older versions can sometimes have compatibility issues with modern browsers and applications. Next, launch the scrolling capture tool again and carefully select the correct window. Choosing the wrong window can prevent ShareX from detecting scrollable content. Now make sure the page or application actually supports scrolling. If there is no scrollable area, the capture process will fail immediately. Next, adjust the scrolling capture settings. Try increasing the scroll delay because some websites and apps load content slowly during scrolling. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Certain extensions can interfere with automatic scrolling and cause incomplete captures. Next, try running ShareX as administrator. This gives it better access to interact with applications and scrolling elements. Now test scrolling capture in a different browser or application. This helps determine whether the problem is specific to one program. Next, reduce page zoom levels if they are set unusually high, because zoom settings can sometimes affect scrolling detection. Now close unnecessary background applications to improve performance and reduce capture interruptions. Finally, restart ShareX and perform another scrolling capture test on a simple web page to confirm everything is working properly. And that's it. You've successfully fixed ShareX scrolling capture failed issue. Now your long web pages and documents should capture smoothly without any missing sections. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.